how to make commenting easier in Vim. For example, if we have a file, let's open this file in Vim, and yeah, I know this looks ugly, but let's say if you want to comment the second line here. So let me set the line number first. We want to comment the second line here. So the commenting in Vim is done by the apostrophe mark sign. So either we have the option to go in the insert mode using I, and then do apostrophe and then space to comment that line. But this is not always convenient when we want to do comment multiple lines. So we have to go each time, each line, and then go there and go to the insert mode. So the easier way to do this is let's go to line 43 and try to comment line 43 to 50. So one of the ways I usually used to do was press Ctrl V and then keep going down and select, let's go to line 50, and then press Shift I and then Alt 3 and escape. So that way I used to comment all the lines, but this comment is wrong. Let's do undo and then let's do it all over again. Ctrl V and then down until 50, and then Shift I and then apostrophe mark and then escape. So it comments all the line like this. But this is something that's really not convenient. You have to remember a lot of hotkeys. So to make this easier, we can install a plugin that helps us with commenting. So let's go to the plugin manager first. So this website, this GitHub repo is helps with adding the plugins to the vim-rc file. Vim-rc file being the file that is used to keep your settings for the Vim editor. So all you got to do is you got to add the call plugin here in the vim-rc file. Let's create a vim-rc file. It's blank right now, and then finally you call plug hash and brackets, and inside these you have your plugins. And to add the plugin for the commentary, we're going to use the commentary Vim commentary plugin by tpope. So all you got to do to install this plugin is let me just open and show you. Maybe vim-rc, copy, and so if you go to tpope, so this line, let me just highlight this, this particular line, you just gotta copy that and then add it there in between. So let's go back to the vim-rc file and add this here, and then remove the space here. And now what you got to do is you got to install the plugin by pressing escape and going into command board and do plug install. Plug install, not a command. Oh, you gotta first source the file. Let's source the file first because we have not sourced the file first. Source %, and now do plug not clean install. So Vim commentary is already installed because I already had this in my system. And okay, so let's exit out of this and enter back again. And okay, now to comment the lines, all you got to do is you go to the select mode and select the code you want to comment and press GCC. That's all you got to do. And if you want to comment uncommented, go to visual mode, select the code block that you want to uncomment. Let's say if you want to uncomment the first two lines, so J, and then press GCC. Okay, that didn't work. Visual mode, J, and run the second line now, and GCC. And undo that. If you want to only uncomment the first line, you go to have the first line, you do GCC. That's all you gotta do. And if you want to uncomment the entire thing, GCC. And this also works with other key bindings, such as if you want to comment the last two lines, so you press GC and then 2J, it will comment the the lines, two lines below it. And similarly, if you are the last line, if you want to comment two lines above it, you can do GC 2K. Okay, maybe not, GC 1K. Yeah, that'll comment two lines. Yeah, so that's all you got to do to make the commenting easier. Thank you for watching.